entering boat registration and issuing temporary registrations. To start the boat registration process for a customer, navigate to the Customer Profile/Customer Information page from the Customer Search tile. Once you have located the customer profile, click Register Boat button from their Customer Profile page. From the Registration Lookup page, enter the whole identification number for the boat being registered. If one is not available, you may select the No Hull Identification Number checkbox. If the boat has been previously registered in Kansas, enter the KA registration number. Click the Continue button to proceed to the co-applicant information step. If the registration has no co-applicants to add, simply click Save and Continue. If the registration includes co-owners, click Add Co-applicant. If the co-applicant has a valid customer account, you can use the lookup feature to locate the co-applicant using their customer ID and date of birth. If the co-applicant's customer ID is not available, simply record their first name and last name within the applicable fields on the page. You may optionally provide their date of birth if it is available. When all information about the co-owner is entered, click Save Co-applicant. To add additional co-applicants, click the Add Co-applicant button again and repeat the same process. When you have finished adding co-applicants, click Save and Continue. If you are processing a transfer registration for a boat previously registered in Kansas, certain information on the boat information step as shown will be automatically populated using the previous registrant's information. Review the information and provide any missing boat information. Once all information is provided, click Save and Continue to proceed to the next step to enter seller and purchase information. On the Seller Information page, choose from one of the following options from the Purchased From drop-down: Home-built, individual, or business. Required fields on the page will vary based on the value selected. If required, enter the seller's name. Next, enter the date purchased. If the boat was purchased out of state, enter the state it was purchased from and the out-of-state registration number. Once all information is entered, click Save and Continue. Next, enter any motor information from the registration. Enter the motor year, serial number, and horsepower. If applicable, enter any secondary serial numbers available. Once all information is entered, click Save and Continue. On the Review page, review the registration information entered for accuracy. If you need to make adjustments to the information entered, click the Go Back, Make Corrections button. Once you have confirmed the information, click Submit Application. You will be redirected to the customer's cart. From the cart, you can click Start New Registration to process a second registration or click Checkout Now to proceed to checkout. From the Checkout page, click Process Order to complete the transaction. You should continue to process payments using your sales location's cashiering and payment processing system as you currently do.